Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. The kitchen is often the heart of a home, and cabinet design plays a crucial role in its aesthetic and functionality. Innovative kitchen cabinet ideas focusing on maximizing space while incorporating contemporary elements. Open shelving has become a popular trend for displaying stylish cookware or decorative items. For a sleek, modern look, opt for a flat panel cabinet with minimal hardware, creating a seamless and clean appearance. Unique color schemes can completely transform the vibe of a kitchen. Deep blues and greens are bold choice for a fresh contemporary look, while short pastels can bring a calming, airy feel if you're not ready to commit to a full color overhaul. Consider painting just a section of the cabinet or using concentrating finishes on the upper and lower cabinets. Custom storage solutions like pull-out shelves and built-in divers help keep everything organized while maintaining the visual appeal of the space. For a rustic touch, reclaimed wood cabinets are making waves in modern kitchens, offering warmth and character. Integrating glass front cabinets allow you to showcase the dishes and create a sense of openness to update older cabinets. Consider a simple makeover with new paint, updated hardware, or by installing modern handles and knobs. Experimenting with different textures such as matte finishes or glossy lacquers can add visual interest to your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a full remodel or small updates, these kitchen cabinets ideas can help breathe new life to your space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.